Hello, I am in New York City, the Bronx, and this is, my little table. This is the 405-page document. So for me to file this, I made a copy for myself. One is filed in the Bronx Supreme Courthouse, and then I had to file another one in federal court, 500 Pearl Street. I had to get someone else to serve it to them because I can't serve it because it's my case. Whatever. you know? So whoever served the document, they served it. The affidavit of service is here. Everything is done. It's filed in the courthouse. Like, do you see? It's filed. It's filed as of March 1st. It's received since, what is it? March 1st of 2024 at 10 a.m. I was there. I was in the courthouse. I was filing my papers. I was like, these motherfuckers, I'm going to sue them. I'm going to sue this fucking courthouse. But whatever, I'm suing. The nature of this action is briefly describe the nature of your case against the defendants, such as breach of contract, negligence. I put racism, sexism, harassment, bullying, stalking, making the work environment hostile and uncomfortable, sabotage of confidential information. The relief sought is blank for pain and suffering and having to endure this system for 14 years of employment, including 4 years after resigning. That's what I put, but I'm not gonna say that amount. But then I'm a writer. I write. So I wrote a whole bunch of shit. Like, I wrote a whole bunch of stuff that's coming into this. I just wrote a lot, and then I included the emails, responses. I included stuff because it's like, yo, like, how you not gonna acknowledge me? Like, I'm emailing you, I'm telling you what the hell is going on, and they don't want to acknowledge me. They don't want to. It's like, oh my God. To whom, okay, this is a message. To whom I get in touch with filing a lawsuit against the Bronx Supreme Courthouse. I have written several complaints without any help from the union, district attorney, and this office. I am applying for the Bronx County Clerk position, and my confidential information has been compromised by employees within the Bronx Supreme Courthouse, along with the Human Resources Department, including anyone else that has the authority and power and is made aware of the confidential information. So these fucking people, like, this is just pieces of what is in here. I apologize for having to write this long message. I hope and pray. I wrote that. I hope and pray not everyone within the government system is as corrupt as the Bronx Supreme Courthouse. Like, I wrote that shit. Like, oh my God. I want to file a lawsuit for harassment, racism, bullying, sharing confidential information, being unethical, unmoral, unprofessional, sexist, along with theft, sabotage of confidential documents and information, and compensation for my pain and suffering. This is unfortunate and disappointing that nothing has changed. I have been making complaints since 2008, and things seem to have gotten worse. Yo, I wrote all of my concerns. It's in writing. I wrote this shit. This is not a court document. Like, this is my document. Filed when I filed it. March 1st of 2024. At what time? 10 a.m. It's received. Where? Who got it? The Bronx County Clerk. Bronx County. What did I say? The County Clerk. Bronx County. County Clerk. Bronx County. I'm like, these they have it. They have the document. You have it. I filed it as of March 1st of 2024. This is just the complaint. The summons and complaint. This 405 pages of proof, documented proof of what the fuck has happened. What happened? What did you say? What happened? Yeah, since 2008, everything here is in writing. Is names, is emails, is contacts. It's a lot of information in this file. And nobody wants to read the file. Nobody in the courthouse wants to read the file, and you have access to this information and you don't want to read it? There's pictures. There's also pictures in this shit. There's pictures. Fucking doing yoga, working out. Like, bitch, you're not supposed to be doing this at work. This is the courthouse. You're not supposed to be doing this at work. But you know what? Nobody says anything. Everybody's scared of Teresa Torres. I'm like, this bitch done did so much shit. And it's in writing. 405 pages of documented proof. And it's filed. It's already filed. Leave with love. Leave with love. Like, yo, if you want to read the documents, you want to figure out what the fuck is she talking about? Yeah, read the read the case. Read it. It's been filed since March 1st. Index number is 1021. I've been saying 1024. It's 1021 2024. Oh my god. I've been saying the wrong index number so many times, but it's 1021 of 2024. Oh my god. I was saying it wrong in my other videos, but I'm gonna put it correct on here. I'm just like, oh my god. Like, oh my god. 1021 of 2024. Fucking hate. I hated this job. I fucking hated this shit. And nobody ever helped me. After all this shit, nobody helped me. I was like, there's nothing else for me to do but resign from this shit because I hate this fucking job. Whatever. Leave it love. Leave it love. It's not my problem no more. It's not my fucking problem. Leave it love. Bye.